is Anas Amateur Katim. I am a computer science student from Multimedia University, and today I'll be showing you how to convert any image in any format to an SVG, scalable vector graphic. So what are scalable vector graphics? Scalable vector graphics is a vector image format in 2D, and it supports interactivity for animation. Now SVG is different from normal JPEG, as when you increase a dimension of a JPEG image, its dimension will lose quality, while for an SVG image, no matter how big you extend it in its dimensions, the quality will still be retainable, and thus no matter the size, the quality will still be there. So now I will show you how to convert any image to an SVG. First of all, we go to Adobe's website. They have a tool where you could upload any photo of your liking to an SVG. So for example, I'm going to use VISI's logo, which will be used here. So upload your photo. It will take a while, maybe 5 minutes. So I'll press my device, I'll go to my directory, and I'll choose VISI logo. So to vectorize the image, it will take around 5 to 10 seconds. And here it is. This is the vectorized image. So a short demo on how it looks like on Figma. As you can see, the image is separated into 4 color clusters compared to its original JPEG counterpart. So when I try to extend the image, as you can see, this is the bitmap, this is the JPEG image, and this is the vector. So the vector has, no matter how big I try to scale, the quality will still be there. See, I'll try to expand it as big as possible. The quality is still in good shape. However, for the JPEG image, as I try to extend the picture, as you can see, the pixels are already start showing, which means that the image is losing its quality. And yeah, that's all for me. And thank you very much. I would like to say very big thanks to VISI for having me in this company. I've learned a lot within these 3 months. I'm looking forward to seeing VISI in the future, and I hope this company strives for progress in the future.